problem. Alright, we're going inside the house. Bye, guys. I'm just joking, guys. Alright, guys. So we're going to do some... Let's go... Yeah, this way. Wait, let me do the intro real quick. Hey, guys. Me and Mr. Kid Flicks. Today, we're going to do more tricks on the ground by N07 Blankenship. And then maybe if he makes me do a trick, or, what are they called? Handspring? Yeah. If he makes me try to do a handspring again, then I might just do it in the grass because I don't want to fall on my face.
Well,
so,
I mean, the only way you fall on your face is if you, like,
hey.
if you have weak shoulders.
Yeah, I'm going to try to do a handspring as long as you let me do it in the grass, okay?
Alright.
Alright, guys, so we're just doing more tricks on the ground. Please give this, I'm losing my voice.
It sounded like you said give it.
Yeah. Alright, please give this video, please give this video, at least 100 likes. I would really appreciate it.
No, give 100 trillion billion likes.
Or as much as you can give, like...
Wait, should I try, like...
Alright, guys, so we're going to get into the video.
Grass to concrete?
Try to do grass to concrete. Alright, guys. I didn't really get that. Sorry.
Do it again?
Yeah. Okay, we're good. Whoa.
Half landing on grass, half landing on concrete.
Alright, so...
I'll do it right here.
No. Oh, right here?
Yeah.
Wait, guys, let me back up. Okay, go. Wow, he's really good at that, guys.
For handspring from grass to concrete?
You can do it right here. Do it right here.
Right here?
Yeah. Wait, no. Alright, yeah. That's right. Okay.
I still landed on grass. What the heck?
That did good, though. I mean. Oh, wow.
I can do it standing.
Alright.
Look at that cloud over there. Show them the cloud.
Where? That one?
Huge cloud. Huge cumulus cloud.
Oh my gosh, guys. That was the rain from before. If you guys are like...
No, that's
Oh. If you guys were inside your homes, then you look outside and see those kind of clouds. Those are the clouds that hit you with all that rain, because I bet you guys were inside and was like, I want to go play outside.
precipitation.
But actually, if you guys don't like playing outside, that's okay. I mostly just play video games all the time. But on the weekend, play video games every day, almost the whole day. And on weekdays, I play outside a lot. And play on video games a little bit, so. Alright.
I mostly play outside on the weekend.
I do a handspring again.
Handspring?
Yeah.
From grass to concrete or just grass?
Grass to concrete. Then, do you have like any different tricks or something?
Sort of.
Show me the other tricks and
Like,
after you do this.
delayed round off or round off?
Just do like both a couple of times. Alright, now he's going to do one more handspring, then he'll do a couple more different tricks.
Alright, I'll do a forward handspring.
I'm trying to record a video, guys. Okay, now then.
Alright, I'll do it at complete concrete.
So, 3, 2, 1. Come on, man. That was good.
In concrete. I laid 1 foot on grass.
That was good. That was good.
Here, I'll do it.
Alright. See. Whoa. That was almost a front flip. Alright, so now he is going to do a couple more tricks that he knows. Just in case you guys are kind of getting bored from the handspring. But I mean, his handsprings are really awesome, I gotta admit. But, I mean,
Alright, delayed round off or round off?
just do both a couple times, okay?
I know, but which one first? Probably a regular round off, right?
Alright. First he's gonna do a couple delay round offs and normal round offs. So
normal round off first.
he's gonna do normal round offs first. So let's see what he's gonna do. Okay, let me back up and get. Alright.
Oh god, it actually hurt a little bit.
Oh wow. So
I was like this.
is that what I did in the last video?
Yeah, sort of.
That's pretty much what I did in the last video,
But
guys.
you did this in the second part. You're like.
I still thought it was pretty good though. I mean, I did pretty good, guys. Come on, guys.
Here, should I land a round off perfectly straight up?
Yeah, sure. Come on. Whoa, good job. Alright, so
Alright, now delayed round off.
let me have an important talk to you guys for a sec. can I do it with the viewers real quick? Just go somewhere else. I'm not mad at Lincoln. I just gotta talk to you guys about something. Like,
Wait, can I hear it?
I wasn't gonna say anything.
Oh, yeah. Okay.
Let's go somewhere. All right. So, guys,
No, don't tell the address.
I know. So, look, guys. Lincoln, this poor boy right here. I feel so bad for him because he said on one of his videos, he got a rude comment that said, F you. What in the world why would that be necessary? And also, that girl or boy,
It's a girl.
he said it was a girl about me and his age. He said that girl said F you to him and said, you are such a big
No, she said shut up, you.
B
Yeah.
to his mom. So you guys, if you know that girl,
Yeah, you can...
shout out to N07 Blankenship. And if that
Here, look, I'll tell them the video. If you go to my channel, there'll be a video called Foxy Stuff. It's from a couple of months ago. But if you watch the comments on that one, then you'll see.
Yeah, guys, he's innocent. He did not know that she existed. So if you see another rude comment on this video or any other videos that's by him, then dislike her comment. Dislike it as much as you can, okay? Because this guy is my jam. So, you girl out there, don't talk about my cousin like that, okay?
Dude, I literally just did a forward handspring with one hand.
Cool. He did a forward handspring for one hand. Try to do it again, okay? So yeah, that girl out there. Wait, hold on. So yeah, that girl out there. If you're watching this video,
It's starting to get gray again.
hey, look, guys. If that girl is watching, if you girl that commented on his video is watching this video, don't talk about my cousin like that, okay? He really didn't know about your YouTube channel, okay? So just, oh my gosh. So just leave him alone and don't talk mean like that about him, okay, guys?
Look,
Okay?
we're in the middle where there's no storm clouds, and look, we're surrounded.
Oh, wow. So you girl out there, don't do that again,
Look, we're
okay?
It's like we're in the eye of a hurricane, sort of.
So, guys, remember, if she makes another mean comment on this video, I don't know. So, anyways, you want me to do a handspring? Whoa. Alright, let's go in the grass over here.
Dude, I can probably do it.
Alright, you take the camera. Here. You're gonna be...
Oh, okay. Dude, we should make a channel together called Kid Flicks and Ender.
No, Ender07 Kid Flicks.
Yeah, Ender07 Kid Flicks. That'd be cool. Or right here?
Yeah. Tell me when to...
Alright, go.
Go?
Yeah. He did a round off.
Come on.
A late round off.
Alright, how about this?
Yeah. That was sort of better.
Wow.
You landed on your knees.
Oh my gosh.
Dude, I watched a video of like round off fails, and then this lady did a round off to her stomach on concrete.
Ooh. Wow.
Like landed on her stomach on concrete.
One more time.
Alright.
Come on.
You're like sort of cartwheeling like a B twist, but with
Can I do a
hands.
cartwheel?
Sort of. You're like a B twist with hands.
Yeah.
Alright, do you want to record me doing sort of more up here on concrete?
Um,
Here you go.
wait, you gonna walk down towards the lake?
Sure. Wait, I can do a flip-ish right here.
Right,
On the heel. I can land it perfectly straight up on the heel.
I do it. Wow. You okay?
I didn't land on the heel, I landed with
You okay?
Yeah.
Okay.
But you ready? I'll do another one. Stand right there.
So, right here?
Yeah.
Wow, that was good.
That hurt. I'm losing my energy. And I twisted my wrist.
I think if you really twisted it, you would be screaming.
No, like I twisted it. It's like hurting right here.
But you didn't like twist it like
No,
hospital-wise.
Like that, but like I twisted it like that.
Okay.
I keep like that.
Alright guys, let's walk down here.
I keep like. Look. Oh my god.
What?
Do you not see that storm cloud?
Oh my god, what the heck?
Dude, we're about to get hit by a nasty storm again.
What? It's weird that we just got hit by a nasty storm already.
Well,
And now...
not really. That wasn't really. Dude, that looks like a tornado cloud.
If it was a tornado cloud, it would be like really dark.
And it's starting to get really windy.
Yeah.
That's a little scary. If a tornado happened in this video, you could put tornado in video. You could put tornado mid-video.
Look, this is Spider-Man floaty again.
And then you could say not clickbait. Just say not clickbait in the title.
Okay. So, guys, and
Oh my god, dude. Let's hurry and do some tricks if you want to.
why?
Because look, we're about to get hit again. Let's go, come on.
I do. Come on.
Wait, should I do one right here?
You're doing.
Alright.
Alright. Should we go back inside now?
Hold on, I'll do it completely straight if you want to. I'll make sure.
That storm's pretty far away. We could wait a little bit. Okay?
Alright, you ready?
Yes, sir.
Straight. Oh!
Oh! Man. Hey,
That was completely straight. I'm not trying that again.
you okay, man?
Yeah.
You landed on your back.
No, I didn't. I landed on my feet, but I was like down.
Oh, wow.
I landed on my back, but I was
Ouch.
it's like this.
Guys,
Dude, it's starting to get super windy.
guys, it's getting so windy, so
I'm starting to get scared.
we're going to have to end the video right here, guys.
Keep filming just in case something crazy happens. Oh my god. It's so cold.
If a tornado spawns right in the middle of us, we're done. I'm done.
Oh. Dude, I'm actually done. Oh my god.
Give me Rod. Go back.
Oh my god. Ah.
You guys have a fantastic day.
Go. Keep going.
All right. Is there a tornado?
Probably watches.
There's no tornado. It's okay. Hi. Give me.
Okay, stop. Oh, that's scary, dude.
Boy, that scared it.
Look at the water.
Hold on. Can
Look out here.
I end the video?
Tyler, look. Look.
You guys have a fantastic day. Bye.